So a question we often get asked at Maverick Diagnostics is, are dealer tools expensive to run? So particularly we get asked around Jaguar Land Rover. So Jaguar Land Rover currently charge £62 an hour compared to £7.70 for BMW, for example. But actually, this is a bit of a misconception, because what's really happening here is Jaguar Land Rover don't want you to buy a subscription for an hour, they want you to buy a yearly subscription. So let's do a cost calculation, first of all, based on BMW. So BMW is £2,850 a year, it's £7.70 per hour. So you would actually need to do 376 vehicles to break even on the BMW annual subscription. If you were to do 100 Jaguar Land Rovers a year, that would be £22 per car, which is considerably cheaper than your £62 an hour. So that's literally price per car rather than price per hour. So obviously that gives you days on that same vehicle. If you were to do 500 Jaguar Land Rover vehicles per year, you would actually only be costing you £4.40 per vehicle. So it's well worth looking into the yearly, monthly and annual subscriptions for all of these OEM tools to get your best possible return on investment. With all dealer tools, they can be highly cost effective depending on your workshop size and the rate of throughput of individual vehicles. The key is to optimize the usage of these tools and re-examine regularly the return on investment that you're getting from these tools. This will help you grow and expand your business over a number of years and really focus in on what you want to do. If you want to find out how to get the best possible return on investments for your diagnostic tools, have a look on our website, scroll down, find the ROI calculator, play with some numbers, and it will give you jobs per week, per month, per year, and what the return should be. Thank you.